What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. As you can see, today is a very special day. I have my Adorama shopping bag here. I just made a very special purchase I would like to share with you guys right away. As you can see, we have a Sony FX3 in the house. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this box open. Check out the box. Also has a Cinema Line on the top of the box. Have these small manuals. Alright, so let's see what we have in the box. So we have, comes with a double charging port. Excellent. Charge 2 batteries at a time. That's what we have here. Okay. Look what we have here. This way. Voila. Check it out, guys. Very special day. Very special day. Very special day. Very blessed day, of course. As I have a FX3 officially. Have an FX3. Wow. Ooh, okay. Got some goosebumps. Okay, so we have this other item in here. And I'm not really too familiar, but this is the top handle. It has some controls here. I'm gonna have to get familiar with these controls, as I'm coming from a A7R5 is the camera that I originally had before I made this purchase. Okay, so nice top handle. Screws in. Have some attachment points here where you can screw on a few accessories here also. Alright, so now the one thing that I'd like to find, if possible, is some batteries, but the batteries tucked away. Really tucked away. Okay. For a moment I thought that it didn't come in any batteries, but they had the battery tucked away in the box in a little hidden compartment in the box. But yep, comes with one lithium Z battery. Comes with one. Sony, and I have two batteries from A7R5 that are also compatible with the camera. This seems to be this little envelope here, like something for the hot shoe, some type of hot shoe adapter piece here. So all in all, I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing charged up and power it on for the first time. So stay tuned as I get familiar with a brand new Sony FX3. Purchased at Adorama, New York City, the Adorama store. Everybody there, the customer service was A1, excellent. All in all, overall, excellent experience. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in and stay tuned for more. God bless. Peace.